This video will cover how to edit rubric content. Tap on the three-dot icon to the left of the rubric name, and then you can select Edit Rubric. If you have another rubric that you've already created, you can actually save it as a template by tapping on the three dots to the left of the name and say Save as Template. And then for any new rubric like here, you could tap on that and load the template, and you'll be able to select it. So that's one simple way. Once you've designed a rubric once, you can use the template and load it quickly. The second thing is to do it manually. You can tap here on any column header and add a column title, tap on the description, and add up to 3 lines of description there. And that's another way. A third way, which is pretty good, is to use the new Google add-on feature. This uses the Google Spreadsheets. And so if you tap on here, Import Template from Google Sheets, this video is there. And if you go ahead and click on Open Sheets, I've already created one here right now. And the way it works is the top left cell is the rubric name. You can have up to 6 categories and 6 levels. So here I have just used 3, category A, B, and C, and also 3 levels, beginner, intermediate, advanced. And then inside that, these are the descriptions for the cells. So you can have up to 3 lines. To separate the lines, you're going to use a special character set. Here it is the pound sign and then the exclamation mark. So you can see there, for category A, beginner, I'm going to have beginner A1, and then the second line will say beginner A2. So again, use the pound and the exclamation mark in the cell to separate lines. Now, to import this to the app is pretty easy. You're going to want to highlight by dragging the end of the cell, all the cells there, and then we're going to long press on the middle of that. And if you long press, a menu will come up, and then you're going to click on the overflow menu, the 3 dots at the far right, and you'll see you have a couple options there. Since I'm using the Rubric Scorer app, you want to tap on Import to Rubric Scorer. And right away, you can see the data there, the categories, the levels, and everything has been imported. Once you're ready, you can edit the name if you want. You'll say Save to Template, and this will save that data to the template. You'll then select Return to App. And now, when we go back to Edit Rubric here, I can tap there and say Load a Template. We now have Test Rubric, which is the latest one. And you can see all that has been loaded very quickly. So that's another way of, I suggest doing it that way with the Google Spreadsheet, so you can type on a computer and easily load. And once you've set that up, simply click back, and you'll see your rubric there is all saved. Alright, I hope that was easy enough, and please feel free to email me with any questions.